Thank you, Pratik. Go ahead.
Yeah. So, first of all, thank you so much. I really highly recommend Snehami ma'am for this AI empowered agile project management training. I think the session overall was kind of well structured, engaging, and highly relevant to the all the stuff that I do as a project manager in my day to day job. Obviously, ma'am demonstrated a very strong expertise in AI, and obviously, uh, what stood out most is was ability to explain those complex AI topics into very simple, actionable ways, and showing how these AI tools and a lot of other different techniques of project agile PM can help us in project planning, stakeholder management, and all of the other stuff that we do in our day-to-day basis. And one of the most important factor was like the Snehami ma'am was kind of encouraging the participations. They addressed all of the queries very effectively, and their case studies are also kind of very much good enough to clear out all of our doubts and clear out the foundation. So yeah, I would really strongly recommend this training with World of Agile, and Snehami ma'am as a trainer was kind of fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pratik. The words really mean a lot for me.